guys, welcome to another video. Today I have for you a Trader Joe's holiday haul and taste test. So I went to Trader Joe's, I got a bunch of their Christmas items and I'm gonna try them on camera and I'll tell you what I think. So yeah, let's see what I got. Okay. First thing that I got is this butter toffee pretzels. I don't know how Christmassy that is, but I thought I haven't seen that before, so I thought it might be fun trying it. It says mini salted pretzels tossed in buttery toffee. That sounds delicious. Let's see what it is. Next up, dark chocolate minty mellows, light and fluffy peppermint marshmallows drenched in smooth dark chocolate. This actually sounds really good. Can't wait to try it. Next, cheesy trees. Sharp cheddar cheese crackers. Sounds simple but delicious. Next, that's probably the item that I'm most excited about. Mini chocolate mousse presents. Rich chocolatey cakes layered with silky mousse. So I'm pretty sure this is the exact same thing as the chocolate pumpkins that they had in the fall. If that's the same, that's gonna be bomb. I'm excited to try it. And they look super cute too. Next, peppermint crèmes. I'm not sure how to pronounce this. Dark chocolate covered peppermint crèmes, soft, creamy, and minty bites. Packaging is to die for, so cute. And that's it. I'm gonna try all of these in just a second. Okay guys, let's start with the first item, butter toffee pretzels. So these should be sweet and salty. So I'm really looking forward to them. Oh my god, it smells so good. This is what they look like. They smell like butter and caramel. So good. The flavor is really good, but wait. I feel like they're too sweet. I feel like the coating, the butter toffee coating is very thick, so it makes these very sweet. But I really love the flavor. I'll probably give them like 6 out of 10. I wanted them to be like a little saltier. The salty part is more of an aftertaste. So yeah, they're not my favorite, but they're very, very good. Next, I'm gonna try the minty mellows. They smell like dark chocolate and peppermint. Very nice. This is what they look like. Honestly, they're not my favorite. The flavor is good, like chocolatey minty flavor. I don't like the texture of the marshmallow. It's kind of chewy. So I'd say for me these are 5 out of 10. Okay, let's move on to the next item, the cheesy trees. I'm excited for these. I need something salty now. Ooh, they're like individually wrapped and are pretty broken. That kind of makes me sad. Cheesy flavor though. Oh no. This is one whole one. It's very cute. Yes. These are 10 out of 10, like so cheesy, really good. Yes, they're addictive. They're so good. They are like buttery and super cheesy, very like intense cheese flavor, but not like a fake cheese flavor. So good. Totally recommend these. So good. Next, let's try the peppermint crèmes. kind of melted in the box, which is a very unpleasant surprise, but I guess they should be refrigerated maybe. Guys, look at that mess. Okay, trying one whole one. These are so sweet. If you love peppermint, I'm not a huge peppermint fan, so I don't know. They're very sweet, very minty. I'd say 5 out of 10. I wouldn't buy them again, for sure. Oh my god. I think I need water now because I'm like, they're so intensely sweet. I need one more cheesy treat to cleanse my palate. And now it's time for presents. These are gonna be good, I'm sure. There's no way I don't like these. First of all, extremely cute. Yeah. These are amazing. Yeah, they are exactly like the pumpkins. I'd say 9 out of 10. Just because I feel like it gets a tiny bit boring with just chocolate, because it has like a little bit of like a chocolate sponge cake and chocolate mousse, and then they're covered in chocolate, so it's like a lot of chocolate, but I love them nonetheless. So guys, that was my Trader Joe's holiday haul and taste test. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you end up buying anything, I would definitely recommend the cheesy trees and the little presents. These were my favorite items. Let me know what your favorite Christmas item / food is down in the comments. I definitely want to know. And I'll see you next week with another video. Bye!